This is Christmas Day, a little early in 2020. 2020 has been a heck of a year. In a lot of ways, it's been a tragic year with a lot of hardships, but in a lot of ways, it's been a tremendously opportunistic time for QLA. Dan and I have said this over and over again this year that this time is the best that we've ever seen for QLA. That's the reason that Dan and I are working a roll up. It's just so opportunistic with respect to the advantages that exist as a result of the current environment for QLA. Businesses are on sale. Zoom calls make so much of this easier than having to get on planes and travel around. So a lot of things have come together that fit well, really well with QLA. But I would ask you to think about Christmas. It's a time of giving, and that's important. But start with giving to yourself. Give yourself the opportunity to set your QLA goals, work those hard every day, and make that a top priority. Make that a top priority. I've said it a lot of times, but don't give anyone else the pen to write your life story. Be selfish in that regard. An awful lot of people stop and give up on their dreams because of what they say. Go ahead and work this hard. And I think you're going to find that you're successful if you do that. There's no guarantee on that, but those that stay focused the longest and work the hardest are those that achieve success. So I take that message to heart. Act on it every day. Set your goals in 2021 and then consistently work those goals every day. And if you do that, I think you're going to be very pleasantly surprised with what happens with respect to QLA and your progress in that. Merry Christmas.